Do you want to make money online? Do you want to start your own online business from home? Do you want to start a business for your additional income source? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Ayaz Mohammed. I'm an affiliate marketing coach. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can start your own online business, your own affiliate marketing business right from the scratch, working from home or office anywhere, and you can earn more than 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees every month, more than 75,000 to 1 lakh every month, right? So just watch this video till end, and I'm going to show you the entire process that how you can start your own online business and make money online. And the best part is that you do not have to quit your current job or business, right? You don't have to disturb your current job or business, whatever you're doing. You can continue doing that. All you have to do, just work for 2 to 3 hours a day for this business, just 2 to 3 hours a day, and you can make a lot of money doing online business. So let me share my screen with you and show you that how you can do your own online business and make money online, right? So let me share my screen. Right, so as I told you, you can start your own online business today. Yes, today you can start your business without quitting your current job or business. You don't have to disturb your current job and business. Just work for 2 to 3 hours a day and you can make money online. So let me introduce myself first. As I said, my name is Ayaz Mohammed, and I'm a specialist in organic lead generation, and I'm an affiliate marketing coach, and I have trained more than 12,000 people in last three and a half years how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing business and make money online. So online business is the right option for you if you are looking to start additional business, or if you want to start your own business, and or just you want to have additional income source. The online business is best option for you. And you know, this is 2020. Online business is the fastest growing sector, you can say. This is the fastest. So if you're looking for an additional business opportunity for you, or you want to start a full-time business also, online business is the right option. But many people think that online there are a lot of scam happens. Is it a scam or something? Because a lot of scam happens online, no doubt about that. It does happen. So you need to be careful. You should not get attracted to the quick money making system. There are a lot of people will offer you that within 1 week you can earn $10,000 or $100,000, $50,000. It doesn't happen like that, right? You need to first be ready for a legit business. You should be ready to work hard. Don't get attracted to what is a quick money system, kind of like quick rich program or something like that. Don't get attracted to easy money. Always do such kind of business where you have to invest your time for learning, right? First learn the business, then work hard, and then earn money. Such kind of business, if you look for, you will not get scammed. So in online business, you have many options. You have options like e-commerce, drop shipping, blogging, e-learning, coaching and consulting, cryptocurrency, binary trading, and many options you have. But I just want to warn you, because the maximum scam happens in this category, this cryptocurrency and binary trading, that bitcoins and all. You will find maximum scam happening. The 90% of scammers are here in this category. So always avoid this kind of business. If somebody is offering you, please avoid, unless you know someone very trusted. If you know someone that he's a trustworthy and then he's offering you, then you can go ahead. Otherwise you should definitely avoid, because 90% scam happens here. Okay, so the business which I'm talking about, like if you're looking for a long-term, sustainable and most reliable online business, then affiliate marketing is the best option you have, because this is a very legitimate and very reliable business where you can do like you can earn a lot of money. Of course, the earning potential is huge, but it is not quick rich. You need to learn step by step. You can grow and develop your business, right? So the advantages of doing affiliate marketing online business is work for just 2 to 3 hours a day. So as I told you, you don't have to disturb your regular job or business. Just find 2 to 3 hours. Anybody can find 2 to 3 hours. Very simple, right? Very easy to find, right? Work from anywhere. You can work from home, office, or you're traveling anywhere. You just need to have internet connection. That's it. Work at any time. So not necessarily you have to work only this time. This is fixed time. You can work according to your flexibility. You can work in morning, afternoon, evening, night, anytime you can work, you can do this business. No technical skills required, right? You don't need any kind of expertise or any technical skills before itself. You just learn this business. It's very simple process and you can make money, right? So you don't have to have any kind of expertise or something, right? Work from mobile or laptop. So work with mobile. You don't need, if suppose you don't have laptop, you can even work with your mobile. Internet should be connected. That's it. Okay. So if you have laptop, it's better, but you can do entire business with mobile itself. And of course, as I told you, you have huge earning potential here. What I'm telling you, 75,000 to 1 lakh per month, it is just a starting income. I'm telling you, like you can start earning this monthly in even 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, you will come to that level, right? But if you work consistently, within 3 months or within 6 months, your income even can go much higher. You can earn even 3 lakhs rupees, 2 lakhs rupees also you can go. Okay, so that's the kind of income what we are talking about. So what is affiliate marketing? You need, those who do not know, affiliate marketing is an online business of earning commission by selling other people's product, right? So it's an online sales business where you are going to sell the product of someone else, third party product. So you don't have to create your own product. Product is already created by someone. All you have to just focus on marketing and promotion of that product in such a way that you generate sales and you get commission. So the product, the process goes like this. You need to select the right product first, which you want to affiliate. After selecting the product, you sign up the affiliate program. You get the unique affiliate link, which is going to be your tracking link through which you need to get sales. And when you get sales, you earn commission. So that's the basic of affiliate marketing business. And doing same affiliate marketing business in 1 year by selling one single product, I made around $31,000 in just 12 months, in just 1 year selling single product, right? Promoting single product. It's a software product which I was selling, SaaS product, software as a service product which I was selling. I made $31,000 in 12 months. Another affiliate program for another product, I made $40,000 in just 10 months. $40,000 in just 10 months. Another affiliate program I did, right? Another product I was selling, this is in India, you can see. In 1 week, I sold the product for 2,57,000 rupees. 2,57,000 rupees in just 1 week. So why I'm showing you this, that you have huge earning potential. See, this doesn't come so easily. I'm doing affiliate marketing for more than 3.5 years. That's why I was able to do that. I was able to earn so much. So when you are starting, you will not get same result. You can see after a certain period of time, you can do even better than me. But initially, definitely you have to focus on learning. So it will start, maybe you will start with 40,000 a month or 70,000 a month, 80,000 a month. And like that it will go, okay? And slowly you can grow in this business, right? So how to get success in affiliate marketing, online business? The success mantra is that quality leads an amazing product. So you need to have a good product. When you select the product should be good quality, amazing product, then only it can get sold and you will earn money, right? And you need to learn how to generate quality leads, the traffic. If you don't get leads, how will you get sales? So in online business, this is the 2 things you require. You need to know how to generate quality leads and you need to have amazing product to sell, right? So in this video, I'm giving you solution for both. So I'm going to recommend you, I'm going to show you a product which you can affiliate. So you don't have to do any research or anything. I'm recommending you, I'm giving you a wonderful product which you can promote and make a lot of money. And I'm also going to show you that how you can learn how to generate quality leads which can purchase your product and you can make sales. So just imagine if I give you both solution in one product, 2 in 1. If I give you a product which teaches you how to generate quality leads and you can promote the same product, like you can do affiliate marketing for same product and make a lot of money. How nice it will be, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful, right? So that's what I'm going to show you. So the product which I'm going to show you is called as Leads Arc. Now Leads Arc is my own training product which I have developed. Whatever I have, I have got the experience in last 3.5 years, whatever the process I have followed and I have learned from best of the best mentors and I have followed that. Whatever I have been teaching to my all my students, like 12,000 students which I have trained. All this, it's experience of everything. I put all together in one training course, which is called as Leads Arc. Now, Leads Arc is a training program which teaches you how to generate quality leads. So if you remember, I told you, you need to learn how to generate quality leads, right? And you need to have the amazing product. So I'm giving you the product. The product is this training product. It's a digital information product, online training product, right? Which is called as Leads Arc. So Leads Arc is the product which you can affiliate and make money, right? And what is this product is all about? It teaches you how to generate leads. So definitely you need to learn. You just get the product, you will not be able to make money. You go and choose any product, you will not be able to make money. You have to learn how to generate quality leads. Now, this same product which you are going to promote also teaching you how to generate leads. So isn't it beauty, isn't it? So you are learning as well as you are getting the business opportunity with Leads Arc, right? So let me show you what and all you can learn in Leads Arc. Because if you know, then only when you learn, then only you can recommend this to others and you can tell them that this is what you learn in Leads Arc. So Leads Arc is basically what you learn in Leads Arc. It's basically a training program. It's a training product, training process, online training, where you learn a step-by-step process that how to generate 25 to 30 highly qualified leads every day. When I say highly qualified leads, what I mean, these are not junk leads, not just getting links, click and leads. I'm talking about highly qualified leads, like leads which are matching your criteria. Every product will have some certain criteria, right? That these kind of customers you need. I'm talking about the leads which are matching your criteria, how to generate such leads, leads which are ready to make purchase, how to generate such leads. That's what you learn in this course. It's a step-by-step process. You learn how to generate 25 to 30 highly qualified leads every day using your social media platform. So you have you'll be using your own social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc., and generate leads. And the best part is that it's completely organic leads. You do not have to spend even a single penny in any paid ads. No Facebook ads, no Google ads, nothing. You don't have to go for any paid ads. You can just use your social media platforms organically and generate 25 to 30 leads, qualified leads every day. So Leads Arc is not just another course, but it's a complete action-based. It's a practical course, action-based. It's not theoretical, okay? So action-based, every session, every video when you watch, it will direct you to do something, take some action. So action by action, action by action, you learn. It's a complete practical course which you learn not to just to generate, but to attract. Means you don't have to chase the leads. The leads will chase you. The leads will search for you, find you, and tell you that, hey, I want to do business with you. That way you can generate leads. And it is for any product or business you can generate for using social media platform. Now see, I'm telling you, this is the product. Leads Arc is the product which you can promote. But you will also learn here. Once you learn in Leads Arc, the training is not only about Leads Arc. The training is about getting leads for any product. So once you learn the entire process, you can affiliate or promote any product you want, right? You can take the product from ClickBank. You can take the product from Warrior Plus or JVZoo. From anywhere you can take the affiliate product and you can promote any digital product, okay? So no paid ads. You don't have to spend any penny on paid ads, no solo ads, no chat bots, no website, no banner display, no SEO. Leads Arc is a newbie friendly. Like if you're just starting, you're just a newbie, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, then also you can learn from scratch. Or if you're already an expert, you're already affiliating some product, you definitely need leads, right? Everyone needs leads. If you're selling any product online, if you're promoting any product online, you need leads. Without leads, you cannot do sales. You need to learn how to generate leads. Leads Arc is for you. Whether you are promoting a low ticket offer, whether you're promoting a high ticket offer, or you are just starting, you don't have any product, Leads Arc is for everyone, right? So what you will learn in Leads Arc, you will learn a social media strategy, the best social media strategy to generate hundreds of qualified leads every week. This is what you learn here. optimizing social media profile, how to optimize your Facebook and other social media profile to hugely increase your visibility and generate a lot of quality leads. Content for social media posts. A lot of people get stuck here that what content I should post in my social media to get more leads, right? So people get, so here you learn how to create and publish compelling contents to get the result you want. Target audience, how to find, connect and engage your target audience and convert them into your customers. Now see, all these things which I'm telling you, you are going to learn for any product, okay? Attraction marketing, how to convert your Facebook profile into lead magnet. People, like, as I told you, right? You don't have to chase leads. Leads will chase you. They will come to you and say, hey, I saw your profile and I want to do business with you. I want to join your team. I want to make purchase. I want to purchase your product. That way you will generate leads. That's the kind of, that is called attraction marketing, which you will learn in this product. Instagram strategy, LinkedIn strategy, that how to get quality leads from using Instagram and LinkedIn, you learn here. That lead magnet strategy, how to use free lead magnet strategy to build your own list, you learn here, okay? And much more. So as I told you, all these things learning is not only for LeadShark. You learn to promote any product, right? So you can promote any product you want, right? But you're also getting the opportunity here to promote LeadShark and make a lot of money. Not only this, apart from the core LeadShark course, which I told you, you also get many additional bonus courses, right? Additional bonuses. Bonus number 1, social media content creation course. Now, this is an additional video course you get, a specialized video course for how to create social media content, which you want to post. A special video course for that. This is bonus number 1, worth $200. Bonus number 2, YouTube channel SEO. How to do SEO for YouTube channels, like how to write the description for your YouTube channel, how to write the description for your videos you make, how to write the title of the videos, how to write keywords, the tagging, thumbnails, right? All these things you learn in YouTube SEO in this course, worth $200. This is a specialized video course you are getting. Bonus number 3, here in this video course, you are learning about email marketing, how to automate your email marketing process using autoresponder. So this is another video course. So 3 video course you are getting bonus apart from LeadShark. LeadShark is the course which you are getting for how to generate leads. Apart from LeadShark, you are getting 3 bonus video courses. One is for social media content creation. Second one is YouTube SEO, and third one is email marketing. These 3 video courses you are getting as bonus. Apart from these 3 video courses, you are also getting 5 ebook courses. Okay. Bonus number 4 is internet marketing for beginners, where you're getting this. This is not one ebook. Okay. This is like bundle of 4 ebooks together in one course, like internet marketing for complete beginners, 5 reasons you should start online business, internet marketing checklist, internet marketing resource cheat sheet. All 4 together in one course you are getting. All right. Together in one course, single course, internet marketing. This is worth $200 ebook course. Then bonus number 5, affiliate marketing success ebook you get. That is how to do affiliate marketing business successfully. This ebook you get. Bonus number 6, Facebook group domination. In this ebook, you learn how to create your own Facebook group, attract your target audience, how to engage them regularly and convert them into customers, how to monetize from your own Facebook group. That's what you learn in this ebook. Bonus number 6. Bonus number 7 is YouTube quick start, like how to create your channel, how to upload videos, where to upload, what taggings, and all those things you learn in this bonus number 7, YouTube quick start. Bonus number 8, FB Messenger marketing chatbot. So how to integrate chatbot in your messenger marketing. That's what you learn in this bonus number 8 ebook. So 3 video courses I told you, 5 ebook courses, total 8 bonuses worth $1,200, approximately around $1,200 worth bonuses you are getting along with LeadShark. All right. So that is the product I told you. So I told you I will give you the product. I will give you the learning how to generate quality leads. So in this leads arc is the product which you are going to promote. Leads arc is the training which you are going to attend to learn how to generate quality leads. And apart from leads arc, you are getting so many bonuses, courses. So it's a complete business opportunity for you. So the business opportunity here is to affiliate leads arc and make money. So I'm showing you the opportunity that how you can earn more than 75,000 to 1 lakh monthly by affiliating leads arc. You can affiliate leads arc and generate income. So leads arc is an insane commission product. You can make huge money by just promoting leads arc itself. And once you learn the process, leads arc is not the only product. You can add more products and make more money. But initially, since you are learning, you should focus on one product, leads arc, right now. So because leads arc, I told you, you'll earn huge commission here. So, but it's not only about money, right? It's about learning. That is one thing. But see, you can promote any product and make money. Why to promote leads arc? Because it's not only about money. Of course, you will earn a lot of money by promoting leads arc, but it's also about the values you offer to your customers. When you sell a product, you should see what values you are giving to your customer. What problem you are solving for your customers. Leads arc is a problem solving product. It's a killer affiliate product. It's a problem solving product because see, leads arc can be sold to any affiliate marketers, any online business people, any affiliate marketer or internet marketer or any network marketer. All these people, their biggest challenge is what? Their biggest challenge is to generate quality leads. They are struggling to get more and more leads. Now leads arc teaches them how to generate quality leads. So it's a value product. It's a problem solving product, right? It teaches them. So it's solving their problem. A lot of people, they burn a lot of money in paid ads. Leads arc teaches them how to generate leads organically, right? So they don't have to spend any money on paid ads. So it's a very, very high value product which you can promote and make a lot of money. So leads arc is definitely a killer product, which I told you. So why to promote leads arc? Why you should promote? So you are getting complete affiliate marketing learning, training, because you are getting leads arc, which is about lead generation. There are many other bonuses which you are getting about internet marketing and affiliate marketing. And then we are creating a Facebook group where all our customers, all our affiliate marketers get added, and we provide them weekly live training how to promote leads arc. And all the learnings which you are getting about affiliating leads arc is not only applicable for leads arc. You can use this knowledge to promote any other product also, right? So that is the beauty. You are learning affiliate marketing here, and it's the best value product which you can offer to your customers, because your customers whom you're going to promote, they are struggling to get leads. Even if they are not having any product, even if they have not started online business, if they want to start also, they need to learn how to generate leads. Leads is basic, right? Everybody needs leads. You are teaching them how to generate leads, what better product you want. So customer will be definitely happy. You will have the customer satisfaction. If your customer is happy, you will be happy. And the product which you are selling, this is going to impact directly on the growth of your customer's business. Your customer will be very happy because the leads arc is going to help them to grow their business, whichever product they are promoting or whichever business they are doing. And you will earn huge earning potential here. So you have huge earning potential. You can earn huge money affiliating leads arc. So let's talk about the pricing and the commission. What, of course, it is there in your mind that how much leads arc will cost and how much you will earn. Okay, let me show. So what is the price for leads arc? What is the cost for leads arc? So what should be the right price? What do you think? You tell me. What do you think should be the right price for leads arc? How much? For the course, you tell me what should be the price for the course which can help you to earn $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 monthly in affiliate marketing business or online business. Because leads arc is going to teach you attracting quality leads. And if you attract quality leads, you will get sales, you will make a lot of money. So leads is the basic. So this kind of course which teaches you to earn money directly normally gets sold in $500 in the market, right? But we decided not to keep so much price because we want maximum people to get benefit out of it. So we decided to reduce the price, not even 200. We discussed with many of our team members. We did some research with competition, and we found that there are many products which are getting sold in $100, $125, $150, or even $200, which are not offering so much value as what we are offering. So we are offering so much value. So definitely our price should be $100 for Leads Arc. But right now we are having offer. Okay, so we decided to keep the offer price only for the limited period of time, because ultimately we will reach to $100 itself. But right now we are running this offer where we are selling Leads Arc worth $500 plus all the 8 bonuses which I told you. So all together, 3 video courses, 5 ebook courses, all 8 bonuses worth $1,200, all together in one offer of $55 only. Indian rupees, 4,000 rupees only. Only 4,000 rupees. You will get the complete course to learn how to generate quality leads. You're also getting the product to promote. You're getting the complete business opportunity, right? And excellent learning what you are getting. So it's only one-time payment of 4,000 rupees. You don't have to pay any monthly or any annual charges. Only one time you pay 4,000 rupees and you get complete access. So why you need to pay? You will be thinking that why should I pay, right? So not for the business. You are not paying for affiliate marketing business. You are paying for your own learning, your self-development. See, you want to do online business, you have to learn. It will not happen automatically, isn't it? Even if you want to do online business to sell any product, you need leads. It will not happen automatically. You need to learn. So for your own learning, for your own self-development, you are paying this money, 4,000 rupees only, for getting all the learnings which I told you, Leads Arc plus 8 bonuses. And you also get the business opportunity which I told you, that you get this lifetime affiliate marketing business opportunity to affiliate Leads Arc and make money. But make no mistakes, you are paying for training, not for business. You are getting additional business opportunity which we are giving only to our customers to earn huge commission on every sales you do. Every sales, when you promote, see, you are learning how to generate leads. You will follow the process, you will generate leads. When you generate leads, you will try to make sales. When you make sales, you earn money. You earn commission. We will teach you a step-by-step process, because we have not only this course, we have live training every week. So apart from this course, you are also learning live. So you are getting video course, you are getting a bonus video course, you are getting ebook courses, plus you are getting live training, which will happen every week. So how much you earn? Every single sales you do, direct sales, you earn 70% of it as commission. Can you believe it? 70% commission means you sell for 4,000 rupees, 70%, 2,800 you get commission itself. Every single sales you do, you earn 70% direct sale commission. Not only that, you also have passive income opportunity here, that every sales done by your direct team members, only direct team members, not below that, because this is not MLM. This is affiliate marketing business. So every single sales done by your team members, you will earn 10% of that as commission. Okay, 10%. Now, you might be saying that this 10% is very less. Let's see. So for every direct sales, when you do direct sales, you earn 2,800 rupees. 2,800 rupees, right? Because 4,000 rupees is the sales. 70% of that, 2,800 you get as commission, direct sales, whatever sales you do. So you do 100 sales, 10,000 sales, every single sales you earn 2,800 rupees as commission for 4,000 rupees sales. Plus every sales done by your direct team member, as I said, only direct team, okay? You earn 400 rupees, 10%, 400 rupees. Now you might be thinking that 400 rupees is very, very less amount, right? 400 rupees. So let me give you example. Okay. Let me give you an example. Let me add text here. Let's say you have 30 people team. Okay. You have developed, you have done sales and you have developed a team. Or let's say you have 20 people team. Okay. 20 people team. And on an average, they do 2 sales. 2 sales. On an average, somebody will do 10 sales, somebody in a month. I'm talking about monthly. 2 sales monthly. Okay, I'm talking about monthly. It can happen. Somebody will do 5 sales, 10 sales. Somebody will do 0 sales, 1 sales. So let's say 20 people on an average 2 sales monthly. That means it equals to 40 sales, right? 40 sales into 400. How much it is? 40 sales into 400 is 16,000 rupees monthly you will earn. 16,000 monthly. Same thing if you think, let's say 50 people team. All right. If you have 50 people team, now sales can be more. It's your total sales what you're getting. Just calculate your entire team, how many sales they're doing. Like 50 people team, again 2 sales monthly means it will be 100 sales. 100 sales into 400. How much it will be? It will be 40,000. 40,000 rupees monthly you will get just as a passive commission. And since, just think, if you have 50 people team, do you think it on an average it will be only 2 sales? See, some people will do 0. Some people will do even 10, 20 like that. So average will be definitely 4 or 5 more, right? Let's say same 50 people team, on an average, they do 5 sales monthly. So how many sales? You will get 250 sales into 400. So your monthly passive income will be 1 lakh. Imagine. This is going to be your monthly income. 1 lakh passive income. The sales done by your team members. Now, whatever new sales you do, you will get additional 2,800 for that. So it's a huge passive income opportunity what you have here in this business. Okay. So product. So here you are getting product. Your product problem is solved. We are giving you a product itself. LeadShark is the product which you can promote. You are getting learning how to promote. You need to learn. You how to generate leads. You need to learn how to get sales. You need to learn everything you are getting here. Learning. You are getting huge business opportunity. So it's a complete product learning and business opportunity. Everything you are getting in one single platform. LeadShark. Right? It's a complete solution what you're getting here. See, one of my team members, Sai Trilok Reddy, in 3 days, he earned 8,400 rupees. You can see Amit Namasudra, 4 days, 5,600. You can see Aman Rajput, 67,000 in 22 days. 67,000 rupees. You can see 22 days. Sumit Singh, 28,000 in 2 weeks. Madhula Janvi, 5,600 in 3 days actually. Miraj, you can see 49,000 rupees in just 25 days. He has earned 49,000 rupees in just 49 days. Amitej Jaswal, 44,000 in 2 weeks. Gyandev Gupta, 80,000 rupees, earned 80,000 rupees in just, I think around 3 weeks, around 25 days. This thing. Shivam Gupta, 1,31,000 in less than a month. He is also like 3 weeks to 4 weeks. Less than a month, you can see here 1,31,000 earning. So system is working, right? Choice is yours whether you want to be part of this system or not. As usual, you have 2 options. One, you can do nothing. You can say, I will think about it and get back to you. All those things you can say. You can take no action. Nothing will change. Your situation as it is, it will be, everything will be same. Nothing will change. But if you want to change your situation, if you want to change your financial status or financial situation, if you want to improve your life, you want to make money online, you want to start your own online business, if you're serious, then it's time to take action. You take action, you join our team, you purchase this training, and we are there to guide you, teach you a step-by-step process, and we will help you to get success in this business where you can earn 70 to 75,000, 1 lakh rupees monthly very easily. You just have to work 2 to 3 hours a day, and we are there to support you. All right. So thank you very much. So if you are ready to take action, are you ready to take action? You can please join our team, right? And we are there to help you. We will be training you step-by-step process. All right. Thank you so much. That's all from my end, and hope to see you in our team very soon, because that will change your life. All right. That's it. Thank you so much, and wish you all very all